Well, this winter continues to defy expectations. Relatively mild weather has been disrupting many Northwoods staple industries, especially the ones involving the condition of local lakes. Our meteorology team joins us now live with more. That's Devin and Jeff. Guys, good evening.
And good evening, Justin. And we definitely do have a really odd year in store for us. And it really started out with a great cold weather, and then it got snowy. Ice thickness has been sporadic. Warmer than usual temperatures and heavy snowfall teamed up to make for a terrible ice year. I talked to the National Weather Service in Green Bay about how this year's weather patterns differ from years past.
After November, then temperatures took a turn upwards, and for Rhinelander, December ended up almost 3 degrees above normal temperature-wise. In January was 6.5 degrees above normal, which is, really significant.
Ice fishing took a heavy hit this year, but snowmobilers have had quite a lot of time to celebrate. The wintertime tourism industry in the area is diverse, but more weather like this could be troubling, right, Jeff?
Yeah, this is, you did some great research on this today because ice has been a problem all year long, and it wasn't necessarily a problem last year, remember?
Right.
That's because this year, when we got the first freeze, we also got some heavy snow in there. And let's talk about big picture, right? Big picture is we've been above average precipitation for at least the last 3 seasons. So the water table is very, very high right now. On top of that, you throw some snow. That snow acts as an insulation so that when the sun comes out, it actually kind of heats the ice below the snow, and that's been our problem all winter long.
Yeah, definitely. We actually have a couple graphics for you on Max 2 if our directors can take that up. We do have a couple graphics to show you, and this was the research I found. So we only have 2 counties in the yellow area, Jeff, Vilas County and Wood County. Only those 2 counties were in the 15-inch or higher roughly area for ice thickness. As you can see, it's kind of all over the place, but that ice isn't very uniformly thick.
Yeah, and you can compare this to last year, if we have that graphic as well.
Yes, we do.
You can see the ice was much thicker last year, and again, that's how the ice froze at the beginning of the season. It's not necessarily temperature-wise, because last winter was also a warm winter. However, it froze differently, which has given us, when you add snow into the mix, in with the ice slushy equation, you throw air in there, and that makes it unstable, which has been why all these events have been canceled so far this year.
Yeah, and snow acts as an insulator, so that makes it challenging.
It does. It's going to be an interesting spring as well, because remember last February was that big month we had all that snow, but we have a lot of snow on the ground for us right now. It's all going to start melting here most likely next month, which will add more water to those lakes, so be careful on the ice. It's very unstable across much of the area.
Yeah, definitely. Weather Service mentioned some concerns, so we'll have to keep an eye on it. We'll keep you posted.